Hi guys. Welcome to our first video tutorial. Today we are going to see how to install Linux Mint on Virtualbox on Windows 10. Before get started, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon for video updates. So let's get started. First of all, Linux is not the operating system. It is operating system kernel, the core component of an operating system. Linux has a lot of distributions like Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Debian, and others. So today we are going to see how to install Linux Mint on Virtualbox on Windows 10. To get started, we have to download those files. Let's download the first file, which is Virtualbox. Search for Virtualbox on Google. Then click on official website of Oracle Virtualbox. To download, we can use this button or that one. Just use one of them. And choose your operating system of host machine or your computer. I am using Windows 10, so I choose the Windows one. Since I already downloaded, let me cancel it. Another file that we have to download is Virtualbox Extension pack. It supports all platform. So, we download this one too. But since I downloaded, I cancel it. So, now I had downloaded those two files. Now let install the Virtualbox. Double click on it as any other ordinary software. Click Next. I leave the location as default, but you can change it by clicking on the Browse button, and make sure that all icons in the Virtualbox feature tree are selected. Click Next. Check or uncheck it as you want, but I leave it as default. Click Next. Now it is asking to disable network connection for a very brief period. This is due to Virtualbox creating a linked virtual network connection so that any virtual machine that installed on this Virtualbox can able to access the internet. So, click Yes. Then click Install. Finally, click on Finish. Now let install the Virtualbox extension pack. Double click it. Then click on Install. Scroll down and click on I agree. Installed successfully, click on OK. Okay guys, now let's download the ISO Linux Mint file. Go to Google search bar and type Linux Mint and hit enter. Then click on the first official website. Then click on download on the top. Linux Mint has 3 editions: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. All of them has their own advantage. Cinnamon is most popular. It is slick, beautiful, and full of new features. Mate misses a few features and its development also slower than Cinnamon's, but it runs faster and more stable than Cinnamon. XFCE is lightweight desktop environment and support less feature than Mate and Cinnamon, but extremely stable and very light. But now I use Cinnamon, so click on Cinnamon. Then choose the country, but I use the world one. But I already downloaded it, so I cancel it. You can also download it by torrent by clicking on this. So now we are ready to install virtual machine. Open the Virtualbox. Click on New. Then give it a name. Change type to Linux. Also change the version to Ubuntu since Mint mainstream based on Ubuntu. Click Next. Minimum required RAM is 512 megabytes, but I use 1 gigabytes. You can also use 25% of your host machine RAM. Click Next. Now let's create hard disk for our virtual machine. Leave as default option selected and click Create. Select VirtualBox disk image hard disk type and click Next. Since dynamic allocated virtual hard disk is more flexible, select it and click Next. Minimum required hard disk memory is almost 11 gigabytes, but I recommend and use 20 gigabytes. And make sure that you select the free enough space hard disk and then click Create. Now select on virtual machine and click on Setting. Then under General click on Advance and change both shared clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. And also go to System and give 25% of your CPU of your computer. Then go to Display and increase video memory to 128 megabytes. And also check the Enable 3D acceleration. Click on OK. Then start the virtual machine by clicking on Start. Then it asks for the ISO Mint file. So click on Add menu and locate your ISO Mint file. Select and click on Choose and click on Start. Here your mouse does not work, so use the keyboards and the arrow keys to move. Start Linux Mint by pressing Enter key. Let's change the resolution by searching for display. But this is for temporary because it does not fit correctly. For resolution I will make separated video. OK, now double click on Install Linux Mint. Here choose your language and click on Continue. Then choose your keyboard layout and click Continue. Check this option and click Continue. Now we can choose Erase Disk and install Linux Mint since we don't have any other virtual machine until now. But if you have other virtual machine, use the second one or others. Click Install now and click Continue. Choose your location and click continue. And here type your name or give it a name. Also give a computer name, which identified on network as and type a username and type your own password and confirm it. Then click on continue. And wait until finish installation. Click on Restart now. Press Enter. Enter your password and press Enter. Here go. This is how to install. I will make another videos on how to use it. Guys, that is for today. See you next Friday with new video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified.